Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, and I wanted to welcome you if you are a affiliate marketer, if you're a home business entrepreneur, and you want to take your business to the next level, take your income to the next level, then you've come to the right channel. Also, if it's your first time here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you are notified of any new videos that I do put out. Also, if you do get some value from this video, be sure to like this video and, of course, share the video as well. I really would appreciate it. But I really would love to have you as a subscriber on my channel. So again, hit that subscribe button so that you're notified of any new videos. So I wanted to cut this quick video because I wanted to tell you about something called a BrainAthon, and it's put on by I want to say one of my really good mentors, John Assaraf. And if you've been on my channel for a little bit, I've been mentioning or talking about this BrainAthon, I think since I started my channel some years ago. And I love the BrainAthon because the BrainAthon was the first place that I realized that oftentimes when you want to start achieving success, sometimes your brain could be the biggest culprit of your success. So this BrainAthon taught me that, and since then I've been a student. I've been following John's work for some years now, and I still religiously do, use his materials to help retrain my brain for success, and I constantly use it. So I wanted to say that if you're looking for just a way to kind of up your game, up your level by helping you grow your millionaire mindset, by helping you grow your growth mindset, your success mindset, then you definitely want to check out this BrainAthon. If you're watching this video, today is the 6th of November. So this BrainAthon is going to be next Saturday, November 14th. I just on the screen there at 9 a.m. So I will leave a link at the bottom. You can definitely leave your name, your email, sign up. It is free to attend. Get the information. It's 9 a.m. Pacific time, so which is probably about 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You want to give it a little time because you're going to be there online, virtually, for about probably give us about 8 hours. But let me kind of show you from the page of what you're going to kind of get and how it's going to help you in your mindset, which of course can help you in your business to help you go to the next level. So here you're going to learn about 6 experts that reveal the most powerful techniques to let go of limiting beliefs, fears, or self-esteem issues that are maybe holding you back from achieving your financial goals and dream life. So earn more, live more, be more, give more. And these will be the presenters that will be presenting to you for free on November 14th. John Assaraf himself, he's the founder of Neurogym, Dennis Waitley, Dr. Maria Nemeth, Dr. Joan Rosenberg, New Yorker, hope I'm saying that right, and Dr. Sarah McKay. Here you can see some more testimonials about the BrainAthon. Also, you kind of get more information on what Neurogym is as a company. Oops, there we go. As a company, what is Neurogym? I'll kind of give you that little piece here. Neurogym, basically, let me go back over here. I think my screen is coming up. There we go. Come on, screen. Actually, guys, let me go back over because I didn't want to show this part. So what Neurogym is, Neurogym basically applies scientifically proven methods and technologies for helping people strengthen their mental and emotional abilities and skills to help them remove the obstacles preventing them from reaching their fullest potential. The mission of Neurogym is to be the leading provider of life-transforming technology, products, and services to help individuals and corporations maximize their performance and results, and read about the science behind Neurogym. So you can look at the link yourself, but I definitely just wanted to recommend that you guys register for this event. It is free, but the information will, I think it'll probably help take you to the next level. When I saw this information a couple years ago, what happened to me, it really helped me skyrocket my own income and help me grow in my success and help me to remove anything, those things that may have been blocking me from achieving the success that I know that I'm capable of achieving. So that's my spiel about the BrainAthon. This is the 8th annual BrainAthon. I think if you take advantage of this BrainAthon, learn the information, and then prepare yourself into the new year, I think you'll be happy that you attended this free event. Guys, that's it. Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will leave a link at the bottom so that you can sign up for this free event to help you change your brain, change your income, and by changing your brain and changing your income and changing your mindset, grow your business. Whether you're in affiliate marketing, whether you're a home business entrepreneur, this will definitely help you. That's it, guys. Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.